Hi, I'm Dave Santarelli. Welcome to Breaking Chart Alerts. We're a trading academy here in Orlando, Florida. And today I'm going to show you why we're the best at what we do. We have a trade plan and a system that we teach our students and clients every day, thousands of them every year. With this trade plan, you'll learn how to find precise entries, exits, targets, and stops. Not only that, we're going to teach you how to use the tools and indicators that we as traders use on a daily basis. After you've perfected our trade plan by virtual trading with us, and by doing the homework I'm going to give you in our workshops we have each week, that's when the fun's going to begin. Here at Breaking Chart Alerts, we trade live every day on YouTube, Zoom, and in our live trade room. By the way, we're live right now.
It's fantastic. I'm up $11,000 today in my trades that we made yesterday. So it's a pretty good day.
Today was a great win. Open up the computer, you're up $3,500 for the day.
And today was a $14,000 day for me, which is ridiculous.
I am currently up 113% on the day. That was just following Dave's trade plan. Today,
This is the community you'll be joining, and we're going to help guide you through every single step of your trading journey. If you can't join us live every day, don't worry. We've got you covered. We have our own app. You can search for it on the App Store or Google Play Store. It'll send you notifications every time there's breaking news we can take advantage of as a trader, or every time a new trade opportunity develops. Download it for free and join us on your path to profit. Here's a copy of our daily schedule. I'm confident we can help you become a better trader. Click the link below and sign up and start learning and earning today.